make Jack sandwich artists that you see at Subway around the nation. If you can find one more Jack than me, I'll give you $10. Find me.
No steroids either.